there, number one, how you make me feel like, make me feel like. 넌 이미 가져서 rest, 내게만 보여, baby.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Willie with and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will have a reaction video for Zero Base 1 Top 5 music video. I think this is the first music video na sila lang. And I'm so excited, so very shocked because yung thumbnail ay si Hanbin and grabe. So before we start, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on my every upload. So it's already Eugene. So let's go and we'll have.
Last night, made a list of my top five favorite things of all time. Your lips just
Oh my God! Hanbin, you know guys, my bias is Eugene pero nasa kabilang group siya.
all your kiss, your smile, and number one, how you make me feel like.
Ano? Oh my God! Grabe din si si Kim Ji Woon, guys. Grabe, oh my God. Wow. Ang angas. Ang angas. Oh my God. Oh my God, you know, tapos nung yung naka-sleep. Tyre. Sabi ko na. Sabi ko na nga si Tyre. Wow. The vocalist. Ang ganda. Ang angas talaga nila tignan, guys. Grabe. Grabe, ang ganda ng music video. Oh my God. Maganda yung thumbnail. Ang ganda ng outfit. Nasaan na yun? Grabe, the first card tapos yung outfit. Oh my God. Grabe. Oh my God. Yung. Guys, I'm 5%. Grabe, ang mga biceps, triceps, ang mga arms, ang mga face card, ang vocal, ang feet, the concept. Wow. Grabe. Guys, stream nyo to. Oh my God. Oh my God. Itong part. Oh my God. Wait. Ito yung thumbnail ko. Ito yung thumbnail ko. Kundo. Naka-specs pa siya. Oh. Wow. The posing. Grabe, ang ganda. Oh my God. Zero Base 1 Timeless World Tour. So, ay, wala ata akong pero yan, andun, andito sa loob yung official concert banner nila. Guys, umattend ako and I am so happy na nakita ko sila because I got the ticket with sound check and send off. Like, wow, face card. Grabe, guys, stream nito. Oh my God. Wait, i-share ko kasi I think ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-upload ng music video reaction nila. And also, ang saya ko kasi may bagong upload and sana mag-upload na din sila sa group nila, yung Gilvin, Eugene, blah blah blah. Right? Zanghao. And yes, kinuha ni Matthew yung phone ko, which is yung gamit ko ngayon pinang-vlog. So guys, this is our video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on my every upload. So bye-bye, I love you all.